Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the bike and shifting into the easiest gear so the wheel spins freely. Next, release the brake tension and open the quick release or undo the caliper bolt. This frees the old cable for removal. Loosen the anchor bolt and pull the inner cable from the lever housing while holding the outer housing steady. Once the old cable is free, inspect housings and ferrules for wear and clean the route. Make sure to have the new cable ready to feed through. You now feed the new inner cable from the brake lever through the housing and along the same routing to the rear caliper. Trim housing ends square, fit ferrules, and apply a light lubricant to reduce friction. This improves modulation and reduces wear. Pull the cable taut while closing the caliper so pads sit near the rim, then tighten the anchor bolt. Make sure to leave about 3 to 4 centimeters of cable beyond the bolt for final trimming and adjustments. Once tightened, adjust the barrel adjuster to achieve firm lever feel and correct pad clearance. You want bite within the first third of lever travel. Trim excess cable close to the crimp, install a cable end cap, and crimp it to prevent fraying. Spin the wheel and apply the brake repeatedly to bed pads and confirm stopping power. If you notice dragging, poor bite, or inconsistent travel, recheck housing seating, anchor bolt security, and that the pads are aligned. Address these before riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.